welcome to my completed workshop and new headquarters for Home with Stephanie. If you've been following my series of turning this Tuff shed into my dream workshop, thank you so much for sticking with me. The Tuff shed went up in June, and since then I've shared 12 videos breaking down the entire process of finishing off the interior and transforming this shed into my workshop. I want to thank Tuff Shed for sponsoring this video and for all of their support. Quick disclaimer, I did receive a discount on my shed, but the rest of the shed and all of the interior finishes are completely funded by money I've made off of YouTube and sponsorships. So I really want to thank you guys for subscribing, helping my channel grow, and allowing me to do what I love every single day. If you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I try to read all my comments, and there are so many of your names that I recognize over and over again. You guys have been with me through so many projects, so I really appreciate your support. If you're not already subscribed, now is the perfect time to do so. I don't ask of it often, but it's a quick and easy thing that you can do that supports my channel in a big way. This is a new chapter for Home with Stephanie. This workshop is going to allow me to create so much more intentional content. I really want to shift my focus on creating more educational content, so I want to hear from you guys. What types of videos do you guys want to see from me? What can I help you understand better about carpentry, woodworking, or power tools? I really want to hear from you guys, so please comment any thoughts or ideas below. I do still have some big and exciting projects planned, but I want to try and squeeze in more of this educational content. I'm going to quickly run through the transformation of this shed starting from the beginning, and then I'll take you on a tour of the finished workshop at the end. So as we go through a tour of the workshop, please comment any questions that you have below, because my next video will be a Q&A. I'm going to be doing a full cost breakdown of the workshop because I know that'll be a popular question. So if you have questions regarding the workshop, ask them in the comments below. Without further ado, let's take a look at where we started back in June.
As you can see, our backyard was in pretty rough shape. There was so much extra concrete that needed to go, landscaping to be done, and new concrete to be poured. While our Tuff shed was going through engineering and permitting, we hired out some help to remove the old concrete, to pour new concrete, and then Devin and I got our hands dirty with laying sod and other landscape work. I took a trip to our local Tuff Shed showroom. They helped me design the perfect shed for our backyard. I even took a tour of their factory where they prefabricated the shed and got it all prepped and consolidated in a kit for the installers. The install crew came and put the entire shed up in one day. It was amazing to watch. By the end of the day, we had a beautiful shed installed and ready for me to finish off the inside. I have a YouTube tutorial for all of the following projects. You can find the project playlist linked in the description below. The first project on the inside was insulation. I did spray foam insulation in the ceiling and batt insulation in the walls. Devin helped to hang drywall. I did all of the taping, mudding, and sanding. Next, we installed a mini split unit to keep the shed nice and cool, especially during the Florida summers. This thing was a must. After that, we installed this tongue and groove board on the ceiling. I used my paint sprayer to prime and paint the walls a nice crisp white. After the walls were painted, I did a whitewash treatment on the tongue and groove board. Flooring was next. I installed this luxury vinyl plank flooring from Floret. It's durable and waterproof, perfect for the workshop. The next project was cabinets. We went with a ready-to-assemble cabinet, and I installed them along the entire back wall to store all my tools. I built a countertop for the cabinets out of 2x10s over 13 feet. This was definitely the longest countertop that I've ever built. Next, I built a giant custom pegboard to hang some of my hand tools and as a fun backdrop for all of my videos. Last but not least, I designed and built a big work table for the center of the workshop. As a reminder, this is the garage that I was working out of for the past couple of years, and this is what the backyard looked like before. That is it for the workshop reveal. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, subscribing, and supporting my channel. I have some really great content coming up, so stay tuned. Don't forget to ask any of your questions regarding the workshop in the comments below, and also comment any videos that you'd like to see from me in the future. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.